What's up, traders? I'm going to answer the pressing question of what happens when your analysis is right, but you get stopped out. I have a pretty good rule for this, and I'm going to show you guys how I implement it in the live markets. So, what we're looking at here is Tuesday, February 4th, Wednesday, February 5th, and Monday, February 10th. These are all very recent experiences that happened to me, and I still haven't recovered from it. Now, and you'll see why. So, trade one. We are bullish on the 15-minute chart, and my entry is on the pullback to the New York VWAP after we break the initial balance high. Now, you can see I just entered with the stop at 10 points. That's a very typical stop for me. I didn't want to put it all the way down here at 20 points, so I left it at 10. I got wicked out straight to the quarter to the cent. I got taken out. And now I'm thinking, okay, am I wrong? But the rule I have is 2 tries, same direction, same side. Same direction, same side, same thing. But just that you're going to give it 2 tries if you think you have your analysis right. And so that for risk management on this, that means you should be doing no more than 50% of your max daily loss per trade. So that way you have at least 2 swings. Guys, comment down below. What is your position size in relation to your max daily loss? Are you even giving yourself 2 swings, or are you giving yourself 4? I'd love to know. So you can see here, I actually get back into the trade prematurely before it broke New York VWAP, and then I got back out and then back in when it really broke New York VWAP. And you can see I added in, and then I have a time stop because my best trades only work in within an hour. So now I've been sitting in this trade for an hour. My time stop activates. I get tapped out at break even, and then I realize I'm still on the money. I get back in and catch it for another few points. You can see all the live execution arrows here. But like this was a brutal trade. This was one trade turned into 4. And it was because I got wicked out and then was mishandling the rest of the entries to some degree. But even at the same time, I was trading the process well. If we go look at my end of day recap, I wanted to be rewarded for having proper process. I tried my very best and got a break even day. If I had left risk on the table, I would be plus 150. But this is trading, making decisions with the information I have available and being okay with it. You know, you're not going to win every day, but I was still able to squeak out a green day, thankfully. Now, let's look at Wednesday because today I wasn't. First trade, I was buying it off the daily VWAP, and that was just a nice winner. Now, let's look here. First trade, you can see previous day high is acting as support. So I'm thinking, let's just buy it, put a tight stop under the pins because if the pins get taken out, I don't want to be in this. Well, boy, was I wrong. This was one entry, and I also had an entry here. So I pulled it twice as I started going into drawdown. So that was, I already used my 2 entries. Then I got in on a third entry, got taken out, and then it ripped. Like this, I don't know if it's just the market right now. I don't know what it is, but I've been getting absolutely destroyed with my stop losses. How have you guys been doing? You know, like let me know. Am I the only one feeling this way? Really, like you just can't make this stuff up in trading. So this time, if I had truly let it be 2 entries with 1 stop loss, I would have made money, but I didn't even stick to my own rule. So that's my own fault. And that's why I'm red. Look, here's where I did my rule and I'm green. So let's see here. Very similar trade to the Tuesday. You could see bullish, bounce off New York VWAP. Bullish, bounce off New York VWAP. IB high is taken. And again, I just got taken out. 10 point stop. So take this away from this. You need larger than a 10-point stop if you're going to be buying at the daily VWAP. Period. It's that simple. I made the mistake twice, and there you go. So now I'm looking for my re-entry after I get stopped out. I get stopped out on this candle, starts coming back through, and I'm like, okay, this price has already paid today. If we look and we can see right here, this price paid. That's the previous day VWAP. Now, the previous day VWAP at the same price level has again maybe wants to pay. I took my long and I took it at IB high. I got paid. You could see my first entry was from opening range high, and my second entry was from the regular trading hours or electronic trading hours daily VWAP. So again, another example where my two tries in the same direction made me money. Now, let me know, guys. Are you guys having a difficult time in the markets right now? And how's your week going?